Having followers is great, but having followers that pay you is even better. Most creators are sitting on audience which can generate consistent income and they don't even know about it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert the followers that you already have into paying clients. Converting followers into clients is literally what I do with the people that I work with. Point number one. Followers don't buy from strangers. The reason why most creators can't convert their audience is because they skip the trust building part. They post content, they get followers, then drop a sales pitch with zero warm up. And then they wonder why nobody buys. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Your content has to build that trust even before you make an offer. That means showing your face consistently, sharing your story, documenting everything, and demonstrating your expertise through free content. The sale happens way before you ever post a link. Number two, speak to one person, not everyone. The biggest conversion killer I see is vague content. When you speak to everyone, you connect with no one. You need to get so specific to the person that you're talking to that your ideal client feels like you're reading their mind. What is the exact problem that they are facing right now? What have they already tried that hasn't worked? What would they wish that someone would just tell them? Answer those questions in your content, and the right people will start seeing themselves in what you post. When someone feels understood, they're already halfway to buying. Point number three, use stories to sell. Your feed content builds awareness, and your stories closes the deals. Stories are where you can be more direct, more raw, and more conversational. That is where people actually get to know about you as a person. Here is a simple story sequence that you can try to. Day 1, share a client win or a transformation. Day 2, talk about the problems that your offer solves in a relatable way. Day 3, soft sell. Share what you offer, who is it for, and how to work with you. Then just drop a link or a DM call to action and repeat it every single week. Point number 4, make your offer crystal clear. I see so many creators with amazing content, but their offer is very confusing. People don't know what they're buying, people don't know what they are getting, what the outcome is, and what does it cost. Confusion kills conversions. Your offer should be just one sentence. I help specific person achieve specific result in specific time frame through your program. Put that in your bio, say it in your content. Make it impossible to misunderstand. When someone lands on your page, they should immediately know if you are for them or not. Point number 5, have a simple next step. You just need one clear call to action, not five. Not a link tree with 12 options. Just one thing. Either DM me a specific keyword, or book a call, or join the waitlist. Just pick one CTA and stick to it consistently. Every piece of content that you create should point towards that one action. The simpler you make it for a person to take the next step, the more people will take it.